I was just calling in. My problem is communication. Like,
Mm-hmm.
um, it seems like I'm always arguing with women. I don't like that. I'm more of a laid back type person, and I don't know. It's like my girlfriend right now. I've been with her for 10 years, so it's like I don't know. She's like she's always on me, and I just don't know how to fix it.
She's on.
The communication is the problem. Like I try to tell her everything, and it's like she don't reciprocate it. Like, what do I need to do to make her listen to me? Like
You
my
say
feelings, my
I'm saying
feelings, and
she's on you.
everything that I got going on, my feelings and how I feel. It's like she don't care.
You say she's on you, but on you about what?
Like basically, like when I communicate, I know I'm kind of hard because I didn't grow up on love and stuff like that. I grew up like in kind of survival mode. Like
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how to be romantic and stuff like that. But I tried to be communicative with her, like tell her what I need from her and stuff. And it's like we always arguing and stuff, and I just don't know how to fix the arguing part. I want to eventually get to the point where I can like propose to her and marry her because it's been 10 years,
Mm-hmm.
and our 10 year anniversary is coming up August like 6th, and I want to propose to her, but I just don't want to argue every day of our life. I don't want to be miserable. I want to be happy with her, and I just don't know how to fix that.
But what is she complaining about?
It's basically social media stuff. Like I ain't gonna lie, I'm an influencer and I do music and stuff like that, and
Mm-hmm.
I have to be communicative with my fans and stuff like that too. And they might be women, so it's like it might get in the way sometimes. So I try to be like straightforward
What
and
do you
blunt.
say? What do you say to the women that she doesn't like?
It's not really me saying much. It's like she sees that I like pictures and stuff. It's basically me liking pictures. That's all it is. I never actually do anything physically. It's just internet stuff. And I just really want to get away from the internet too. That's one thing I want to do is get away from the internet and try to be more straightforward with her. But it's
Okay.
kind of hard because she's not hearing my side of the story and how I feel about certain things. So it's like,
Okay. Why are you liking other women's pictures?
yeah, that's true. That's one thing I got a
I'm
problem with. I ain't
asking.
gonna
I'm,
lie.
I'm asking because it's like I understand you see somebody cute, you want to support, but
Yeah,
what does it do for you?
it don't do nothing. That's really the main problem. It is. It's just a trust thing, I guess. But I just don't want to argue every day. What would make a woman want to argue with you every single day of your life? Like,
I mean, do you think she's happy with you?
I don't.
How you don't know?
I said I don't think she is.
You don't think she is?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Why? Do you know why?
When you have so much time built up with someone, like I said, 10 years, so it's like a lot of bad stuff we both did. So it's kind of like it kind of make it hard to. It's like I know I'm supposed to not like do this anymore, but it's like I want to still do it. I want to make it work.
Have you ever cheated on her?
No, I haven't. It's just always internet stuff.
Mm-hmm.
No, nothing physical.
Well, if you want to stay with her, maybe try to not like pictures.
True. I'm gonna work on that. I'm gonna work on that.
Because
But it's just really our communication. Like I can't talk to her without her yelling at me. Like sometimes I just want to talk calm, and then I guess she's in her feelings. I guess about certain stuff that I do, but
like
I,
what?
I just don't want to yell and scream about the stuff. I just want to have a civil talk about how we both feel about things.
But
And
what do
I'm a
you?
Gemini and I'm a Virgo, and so it's like
But wait, what do you do that she besides Instagram?
it's just really internet stuff. That's really all it is.
All
It's
right, so
never nothing.
stop it. If it's just that, then
Hmm.
stop it. I feel like it's gonna be something else. She's probably gonna find something else.
Yeah,
But stop that and see what happens.
I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try that.
I mean, because I don't know. I was gonna ask you how you talk to her because I used to be in a relationship and I couldn't express myself. Like I would talk calmly and
Yeah,
everything you would tell me would be like yelling. So I know I cannot
yeah.
take the yelling. So, but you say you talk to her calmly and she's the one yelling.
Hmm.
So I don't know. So some of the chat is saying maybe it's time to break up.
That's true.
I mean,
Dang, I
that's not
don't want to do that though. I
true.
don't really want to do that though. Like we got kids together and stuff. Like I'm a big, I'm a
Yeah.
big person on like being a father figure, like being a father like to my
Mhm.
children. Like I don't want to just leave my children
For
and
sure.
start a new family and stuff like that. I don't want. I don't think that's fair. I just want to try to work things out. I know things might be hard. I just want to try to, I don't know how to get to my romantic side of things of trying to fix this.
That's what I was gonna ask you. I was gonna ask you, are you affectionate?
I'm really not. I'm not. I'm really a hard person. Like I'm a militant minded person. Like, and it's hard for me because I'm always stressing about stuff. I'm always complaining about stuff. I hate being like this. I don't know how to fix it. I
Hmm.
really don't.
Let me tell Finesse what's going on. So Finesse, our friend here has an issue with this girl. He's been with her for 10 years, and she's complaining about him liking other girls' pictures on Instagram, and he wants to propose to her. They have kids together, but every time he tries to communicate, he communicates in a calm manner, and she yells back. So how?
Yell back because of what?
You said what?
Why she yelling back? Out of just for anything or just for the Instagram
Just
stuff?
anything. Like I could just be trying to have a civil conversation. Like how can we fix things, and it'll just go straight to a yelling match. Like, and I hate that.
For one, I would say, and I said finesse a bitch. Fuck y'all. Um, I would say I think I haven't been in a long relationship like that, like a 10-year relationship, but I could tell, but maybe the way she's acting, that she's probably not feeling loved, or she's not, like, you're not probably like compliment her enough.
Yeah.
Um, and if it does become an argument, just let her argue. You know what I'm saying? Try to be chill, and you know what I'm saying. I was at this class the other day. These couples was talking about like how they get through like their arguments and stuff. He
Yeah.
said we just lay down. He's like, because it's gonna be hard trying to have an argument laying down on the floor, face to face like this, right? And he said, man, that shit work every time. We don't argue, but I think you probably gotta like try to like fix the situation first. Like just try to be more romantic, because she's not gonna marry you if she's feeling this way. So you got to be more romantic, more affectionate, to like really show that you love her, and then like try to communicate with her like about the Instagram stuff. Like, yo, listen, it ain't really like that. Like this is what Instagram is for. Like I don't really care about these bitches for real. Like this is just what it is. And then I mean, she complained about it. Just stay off for a second. Just lay off the Instagram for a minute, and until she get a little more comfortable, and build her confidence up.
That's true. That's real shit. It's just that's real shit though. I just need to deactivate that shit basically.
Yeah, yeah, because you're gonna have to pick and choose, like her or the Instagram.
Yeah.
And I
It ain't
believe,
really it ain't really it's a problem though that like where I would just be going crazy. It's just her going and seeing certain stuff like I don't know. She'd go look through somebody likes to see if I like the pictures. But I guess that's a trust thing, That's a
yeah,
trust
yeah.
thing. She probably don't trust me and stuff. I gotta make
You
her.
you got caught
It
cheating
all
before?
ties in together. You right,
You got caught cheating before?
Mm-mm.
huh?
You never cheated before? Never got caught cheating?
Not physical. I never physically cheated on like my girl, but I do. I do.
Yeah, yeah.
Temptation. You see something you like, you would hit that like button. I ain't gonna lie.
I mean, yeah, that's just how I go. I mean, that's just it's natural. Bro. To them though, if you're liking another girl picture, it's
Yeah,
basically you're letting her know that she ain't pretty enough. You got to make
yeah.
her feel pretty. You got to make her feel wanted. And then I don't even think that should have fucking matter. Like, if you really give her your all and showing her how affectionate you is and how much you love her, like, I don't think the Instagram gonna bother them. I think you're probably lacking in an area with her, and then when she see
Facts,
that, she, what the fuck?
facts.
You
And
got
it
enough
just
time to be hoes, you got enough time to be scrolling and liking, but you ain't got enough time for me.
that makes sense. I ain't gonna lie.
And get you a Finsta, bro.
That makes sense. I ain't gonna lie. Basically, I just gotta show her more attention and shit.
Got to show her more attention, bro. That's all.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, thank you, Big Slim.
I appreciate y'all, man. Y'all have a good night, man.
You
All right, where
too.
you from, bro?
Much love.
I
Where you
don't
from?
know. Ah, he left. I didn't do that. Are you ready to participate?
Yes, 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 yes. I had a. Ooh, I'm here.